Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you daily quality content to guide you through the world of innovative products. Today, we've got something special for all you outdoor enthusiasts: the best camping chairs. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned adventurer, we've got the inside scoop on the most comfortable, durable, and stylish chairs to elevate your camping experience. Stay tuned for expert insights and reviews that'll make your outdoor escapades even more enjoyable. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's embark on this journey together. Now, let's dive into the world of the best camping chairs. Number 1. Helinox Chair Zero. Being a hiker and camper myself, I can confidently tell you that when it comes to carrying your gear for miles upon miles uphill, you'll want your pack to weigh as little as possible, which is why this 1.2-pound, backpacking-friendly Helinox camping chair is a solid pick for multi-day adventures. As a matter of fact, my hike and camp-loving friend highly recommends this ultralight chair for all overnight adventures in the backcountry. Even though this camping chair is light like a feather and can pack down smaller than a water bottle, it's still an extremely resilient chair that can hold up to 265 pounds, since it's made of durable aluminum alloy. Even the seat and carry sack are made of durable polyester that is not only comfortable, it also resists UV rays and not so ideal weather conditions. Number 2. GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker. Hang out at your favorite campsite with family and friends in this rockable camping chair that's easy to carry around. This camping chair is made to be both foldable and portable, yet doesn't sacrifice its stability. It's made of a sturdy steel frame that can hold up to 250 pounds. Additionally, this camping chair includes padded armrests for enhanced comfort, a mesh backrest, and a built-in beverage holder for your water, coffee, and other beverages. Best of all, you can enjoy smooth back and forth rocking all day and night as you relax at the campsite. Equipped with a sturdy powder-coated steel frame, this outdoor folding chair supports up to 250 pounds and includes padded armrests, a mesh backrest, and beverage holder. Patented spring-action rocking technology allows this outdoor folding chair to rock on most outdoor surfaces. This folding rocking chair for outside makes a great rocking camping chair, rocking sports chair, or rocking lawn chair. Number 3. Kajaro Dual Lock Portable Camping Chair. This is a very convenient camping chair that's great to bring to outdoor events like your kids' ball games or a golf tournament. It comes with a carry strap and bag for easy transportation, as well as 2 cup holders in both zip and mesh pockets for anything you want to store away. You can even choose this camping chair in a variety of color options. Made of durable polyester material, this no-sag seat camping chair is built to support a maximum weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. You can even comfortably lounge in this camping chair on a hot, sunny day thanks to the ventilated mesh back that promotes optimal breathability. Once you're done sitting in this camping chair, close the locks, they open for stability, and easily travel back to your car. Get comfortable with this foldable chair featuring no-sag seating, durable diamond ripstop polyester, and breathable mesh on the seat back. Number 4. Helinox Chair 2. The Helinox Chair 2 is a solid chair for those looking for something lightweight and comfortable that doesn't sacrifice size and support. After putting this chair to the test, I can confidently say that it's sturdy and big enough where you don't feel like you're sitting in a lightweight camping chair. It has a 320-pound weight capacity, yet is still 2 pounds and 12 ounces with a pack length of 18 inches, meaning it will fit in most day packs and especially backpacking packs. The best part about this chair is how easy it is to set up and break down. The legs self-assemble and then you can easily slide the chair's 4 pockets over the legs. This process took me about 1 minute to do the first time. Unless you're an ultralight-only type of person, I recommend getting this camping chair for your outdoor adventures, especially because it has a decent price tag. Number 5. Coleman Camping Chair with Fork and Cooler. This camping chair is made of polyester and alloy steel, making it so durable that it can hold up to 325 pounds. It is the perfect camping chair for tailgating fun, whether you are barbecuing steak tips before a Patriots game or drinking a refresher with friends before Countryfest. There is even an integrated cooler to keep your drinks fresh, a cup holder, and added side pockets for your keys, phone, and whatever else you want to tailgate with. This ground-level camping chair is 24 inches wide and 18.1 inches high, and can even be adjusted to tailor your unique arm length. This camping chair is also great for camping ground and wherever else you want to go that doesn't involve the need for a foldable, packable chair. Built into the armrest, the cup holder ensures that a refreshing drink is always within easy reach. A handy side pocket keeps phones, snacks, or keys at your fingertips. Fully cushioned seat and back for added support and enhanced comfort.